Hello everyone, this is your D.Machinery channel. Today we honor the tools, machines, and workers who keep the world running strong. There's a rocket engine being tested, not in space, but on the ground. Inside a sealed chamber, thousands of degrees of heat roar from the nozzle, while sensors and cooling lines keep everything perfectly under control. This next one's pretty cool. A flexible roof layer made from asphalt and asbestos that keeps homes warm, dry, and surprisingly quiet. Giant machines gently lift entire trees, roots and all, and move them to new homes without a scratch. It's force meeting precision. Lasers inside a textile factory burn patterns right onto fabric. It's design made literally out of light. Here's an eco-friendly way to make ice cubes. Modern tech keeps tradition alive. Business meets nostalgia in every frozen block. The knife moves side to side, slicing salmon into silky sheets so thin they almost shimmer. Flakes transform into huge 1,000-liter tanks in just minutes. Heat, pressure, and patience turn waste into something useful. Logs go in, perfect planks come out. It's hard not to love that level of mechanical accuracy. The invention of wood processing machines turned muscle work into machine rhythm, speed without losing precision. This 10,000-ton press forms parts heavier than entire trucks. Pure industrial muscle. Watch a solid iron bar curl like soft candy. Strength and grace in one satisfying motion. Inside a metal workshop, propane tanks take shape. Sparks fly as steel bends into something both strong and essential. Ever wondered where disposable plates are born? It all starts here, in a factory of melted plastic dreams. High above the city, workers climb iron stilts and connect beams mid-air. It's courage tied to a safety rope. An automatic rotary machine fills and seals hundreds of containers in seconds. Blink and you'll miss it. No, your dinner bowls aren't hand-painted. This machine does the job faster and neater. A web-waving machine spins threads like Spider-Man himself. Engineering meets comic book fantasy. Without machines like this, pots and pans wouldn't exist. Cooking would be chaos. Plastic cup makers keep every party alive. Perfect for teens discovering their first beer. Probably. Try not to crave a sandwich while watching this bread-cutting perfection. Bet you can't. These workers form car mats with precision, just so we can stomp all over their hard work. A tire stretching machine helps mount wheels with pure accuracy. Smooth, quiet, effortless. Molds filled with cement powder pressed down to form bricks by the dozen. Red hoses stamped into bolts, sparks flying like fireworks. Pressure cutters slice through solid cement blocks like they're soft clay. Labels whirl around cans and bottles, speed and precision in perfect balance. Anyone who's struggled to peel a mango needs this genius gadget. It makes frustration disappear in one clean cut. Watch this labeling machine work glue, motion, and timing perfectly in sync. Metal polishing never looked this relaxing. Smooth reflections born from spinning pads. Tired of peeling boiled eggs? This little helper does it flawlessly. Breakfast stress solved. Blankets roll, fold, and pack themselves automatically. No hands needed. Bamboo shoots slide through cutters, splitting into long, even strips. Concrete chunks are shredded into dust, power tools turning chaos into order. An excavator claw rips apart car bodies for recycling, destruction that feels strangely beautiful. At a food factory, apples are peeled and cored in bulk. Fast, efficient, mesmerizing. Molten metal bends and reshapes easily. Strength reborn through heat. A stamper hits a metal tube with flawless timing, the kind of sound engineers secretly love. Here's a machine that never gets tired of making tires. And yes, we'll never get tired of bad tire jokes either. A chain-link fence maker spins wire into perfect diamonds, creating boundaries one twist at a time. every coil must be wound perfectly, otherwise it's just wire waiting for purpose. Molten aluminum becomes everyday items right before your eyes. Fire shaping function, a multi-head CNC carver turns plain wood into art. Precision multiplied. And yes, this blow molding machine literally makes a plastic boat. Wild, right? Slicing bacon this perfectly should be illegal. Each cut is as mesmerizing as it is mouth-watering. Here's an automatic wire cutter slicing through wet cement to form perfect bricks. Molten steel is pressed into ladles, its craftsmanship hidden behind raw power. A dead bicycle goes in, and a shredder reduces it to scrap in seconds. This grabber moves dozens of bags at once like they're feathers. Pure mechanical grace. Watch as this splitter snaps a boulder in half like it's nothing. Power on, full display. Old barrels are flattened and reborn. Recycling made oddly satisfying. The robotic arms braid dough faster than any baker could dream of. Delicious teamwork. Bucker removes every feather from a chicken in seconds. Gross, yet weirdly satisfying. This machine wraps tires tight for shipping. Clean, neat, ready to roll. Tiny bows tied by machine. Delicate precision meets human creativity. Laser beams draw patterns on denim, giving jeans their stylish personality. A long chainsaw digs around tree roots, helping massive trees relocate safely. Watch dough flatten, spin, and roll itself into perfect pastry balls. Melted plastic becomes weatherproof floor mats, tough and built to last. Multiple saws slice a thick log into perfect layers, smooth, steady, surgical. Steel sheets meet a stamping press, becoming sturdy shovel blades in a blink. Warm rubber turns into big plant pots, another tiny miracle of heat and pressure. Empty cans are crushed into perfect cubes. Recycling satisfaction level 100. Heavy machines reshape metal tubes into square frames. Geometry meets muscle. Patient carve tiny screwdriver bits, small but mighty craftsmanship. A grinder processes whole chickens, bones included, not for the squeamish. robot smooths wet cement perfectly. No human supervision needed. One clean slice, this tool splits a cow's head with terrifying precision. And finally, a shredder turns corn stalks and leaves into animal feed. Waste becomes nourishment. Thanks for spending your time with D.Machinery. From machines to mastery. We'll be back with more soon.